Welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to design electric vehicle website using WordPress. So if this is your first time visiting this channel, I want you to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell notification so that when I drop a new video, you get notified. By the end of this video, you are going to design exactly this type of website without writing a single line of code using WordPress. So let me refresh this particular sample website. So if you have a client or you are into electric vehicle business, this is how you can use this particular template and recreate your own business website. If you're a web designer, a web developer, you can use this and create a professional looking vehicle website for your clients. So it can be, you can use it for electric or non-electric vehicle. So this is a very as you can see, this particular website stand out. They stand out. So here now I'll show you how you can change this to your own cars samples and change some of these particular some of these backgrounds and so on and so on, everything here. So here now is where you can add image of your buyers in case you want to have them publicly displayed. If you want to have them publicly displayed, I'll show you how to add them too. You can see this is a very professional looking electric car website, electric vehicle website. So without wasting time, let's go straight and start this particular tutorial. The first thing you need is WordPress. Just like I said in the beginning of this video, how to design using WordPress. WordPress is what will help us design any type of website without writing code. Just drag and drop. And we are going to achieve that using Elementor and templates. So now, if you don't know how to install WordPress, I will put a link in the description to a video I made earlier on how to install WordPress. But if you have WordPress installed already in your website, then you start from here. So once you are done and you have WordPress installed, the next thing you need is we need two things. First thing is theme, second thing is plugin. Without theme, we cannot have a good structure. Without plugin, we cannot have functionality. That is why we need both of them. So by default, this is how your website look. So this is by default, this is how our website looks. So now let's work on it. So come to appearance, click on themes, then you click on add new. Then here now we are going to use hello Elementor. Install it. If you didn't find it, just search for it here, you'll find it. Then you activate. So once you activate, then there's going to be a little changes on the website now. So refresh, you can see there are small changes. So now the next thing is plugins. With the plugins, we now have the functionalities that we need, and we can now design the website the way we want it. So for us to get this plugin, scroll down to plugins. You can click on add plugin right away, or you can click on install plugin. So let's click on add plugin. Then here now we need only two plugins. These two plugins will help us install the next plugin necessary for this particular project. So the first plugin is the Elementor. So we search for the Elementor, see it here, we install it. Then don't activate yet. I'll show you how to activate all of them together. Then the second plugin is template kit import. Sorry, I made a mistake. I put import. So now this is the second plugin that we need. So scroll down. This is the template kit import. Just install it. Then once you are done installing, then you click on install plugin, click on mark all, click on bulk action, activate, apply. You can see I have a caching plugin here. This caching plugin help improve your website speed, so you can leave it if you want. So once you are done, then the next thing you need to do is we need to create pages. Pages are where we are going to work on this particular website, where we are going to put our design. Take for instance, you want to design the home page, we are going to create a home page. You want to design service page, we are going to create service page. If you want your page to be your home and your business to have only one page website, you can only have your home page, then you link to your contact details outside the website. So now let me show you how to create pages. So come over here, click on all pages. So once you click on all pages, by default you're going to have some sample page, so you can have your privacy policy if you want. So I will trash this sample page. I'll trash this sample page. So once I trash the sample page, then you click on add page. So in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to create and design the home page. Then you can use the same process to design other pages. So now just write home. Then once you write home, then you come over here, the road template, default template, select Elementor full width or Elementor canvas. In my own case, I use full width. Publish. Now once you are done publishing, this is not yet our home page. This is not yet our home page. So how do we make it our home page? For us to make it our home page, you scroll down, come over here to settings, click on reading. Then once you click on reading, then you see by default our latest post is our home page, but no, we need a static page. Select the home, then you click on save changes. So once we are done saving it, then come back to pages, all pages. You can see the home page is showing that we have a front, is now the front page. So once we are done, then it's time for us to import this particular template so that we can work on it. So now for us to get this particular template, just scroll down to tools, click on template kit. Then so here now is where we can import the template. You can click over here to import, you can click over here to import. So I'll show you where to get the templates, but first of all, let's import the template. So here I'll click here. If you click here, it's the same thing. So anywhere. So now I will import the template. It's processing. It doesn't take time to import. It depends on your network strength. If your network is very, very strong, it will import immediately. If your network is a bit slow, it will take a little bit time to import, but definitely it's going to import. So the template have imported successfully. You can see it. So everything you saw in the other pages are here. You can see it. So everything is here already. So now what do we need to do? Now it is showing attention here to requirement. Just click on install requirement. You click on install above requirement. So you install it. Then once you are done, you close it. Then the notification is gone. Then the next thing is import the global style kit. You must import it. Without importing it, you're not going to have the same design. So once you are done, then you are ready to design. So for you to get this template, I'll put a link to this page in the description, or you click here to import. So now I assume that anybody that is watching from here has gotten their template successfully, because that template price may go up, so you can get it as fast as possible. So now let's proceed to designing the home page. So you click on all pages. So get the template so that you can follow up this video. Then the next thing is the edit page. Click on edit. Then once you are done, click on edit with Elementor. So we are going to edit this particular page with Elementor. page builder. So once the page load, then click over here, then view installed kit, click on it. Then we are looking for home. See the home page, insert template. So we now import the home page template. So now if you are working on, let's say you're working on your contact page, so once you create, follow the process I used to creating the home page, you now use it and create this contact page. Then the same way I'm importing, you go to the page and import this contact page and do exactly what I'm going to do in this home page. The same thing to careers page, the same thing to other pages. I think we have other pages like pricing page and so on. So do the same thing. That is what you are going to do. So you can see now the template has been imported successfully. You can see, very powerful, very, this you can see, this is the website, this is our website, this is our website, not the sample site. This is our website. You can see I've imported it successfully. You can see everything is here. So everything is here. So now the next thing you are going to do now, in this particular map session, you just click on this particular map session here. If you want to add your own location, just click on this particular map session. Inside this particular location, just write your own address. Let's say United States. United States, like Ohio, so or New York or Kentucky or Connecticut. So let's just say I want this. So the map will exactly go to that address in United States. So you can see it. So that's how you can change and add your own address there. You can increase the zoom or reduce the zoom. So that's how to do it. Now you have your images ready for your product. So now take for instance, you want to change this particular background. Click here, then click on style, then see this car, add your own car. Yes, add your own car. You see this particular place, you click on it. You see here now, drive the future of mobility. This feature is in bracket, that is why it says blue. I'll show you how to do what, change its color. So what are you going to do? You can change the right up here, mobility USA. You can see it. So change the right up. Now you want to change the color, come to style, focus title. You see that focus title, that is the feature. Now you change the color. If you want to change the color of the focus title, that is why it was in bracket. So now change the color of the title. This white color, you can change it to any color you want. So, but let's just leave it as white. Now you see this particular place, click on it, see 350, 355, change it. So that's how you can change it. There is a place they wrote top speed under it. How can you change that top speed under it? You see it, subtitle, top speed, change it. See here now, this is a YouTube video. Click here, now scroll. This is a video. I think no, click this particular pencil. So now here, now put link to your YouTube video here. So once people click on it, it will pop your YouTube video. Click here now, change the right up here. Click here now, explore our model, put a link. Take for instance, this our homepage now is the link to your our homepage is not yet, have not changed, so we are still designing. Let's say this our homepage is a link to your your gallery, car gallery. To explore our models, you put the link to that your car gallery where you display all the cars you have. That is another page that you have to create. I told you are going to create other pages. So now you put link to it. So when people click on it, they can explore, or there you can put link to your own contact details. So that when they click on explore car galleries, they can send you a message, then you can forward them the galleries one on one. About us, click here, change it. Employees, click empowering the future of mobility. See it here, change it. You can change it over there. This image, click on it, see it here, choose image. You can select from your media library or click upload file, then click on select file, select from your computer, then change it the same way you do to this one. Once you click here and you click on the style, then you click on choose image, click on upload file, you select from your gallery or click on your media library, you choose from the image in your media. Now you scroll down, you want to change all these things, the same thing, you change, click on it, click on innovation. This is the innovation, change it if you want. So this is an icon, you can find another icon in icon library. Let's say I want to choose this icon, this is cloud, insert it, it will change. There's more icon, click here, change it. The same way button is the same thing, the linking. Image, same thing. So you get the idea of how you can change anything. All these things are images. So you see this place, I've already shown you how to change it. Click on it, see it here, 250, let's say 255. So you can see, just change it. Now more details here is if you have a separate page where you explain everything about this car and the prices which you are going to create, then you add link to that page here, add link to the page here. So that is linking to another page. So when people click on more details, they will land on that page, and that page will show them more details about this car and the prices. Or you can put a link to your email or contact. So when people contact you and request to know more details about this car, you now tell them one on one. It depends on how you want to handle your customers. So once you are done, you can change all these images. So how did you get this image? This image is one image. So you just call a graphic designer and create a gallery of image, join them together, then upload it. This is one image, not multiple. Just upload it. That is how this one come about, one image. Then the next thing is I told you how you can add your own address, so you get the idea. So this changing of image of this car, the same thing. So once you are done, you click on publish. So you click on publish. So we have published it. So let's refresh our home page. Then you will see it. You can see this is our home page because we haven't even added our header yet. So this is our home page. You can see the color I changed, the 355, everything looks okay. You can see it. I told you can change anything you want on this particular website. You can change anything you want. So the address I added, Ohio, you can see it. So if you are from Kentucky or Connecticut, you can add it. Texas, Florida. So this place is our blog post. So we still add the blog post here, but let's work on the header and the footer of this particular website. So for us to design the header, go back. So we go back for us to design the header and the footer of this particular website. So once we go back again. Then we need extra plugin which we didn't install earlier. So for us to get that plugin, click on plugin, add plugin. This particular plugin will help us create the header and footer of this particular website. So there are other plugins, but this particular one is one I prefer. So search for Element Kit. Sorry, I didn't search Elements Kit. So search for this Element Kit plugin, then see it over here, install this particular plugin. This particular plugin will help you create the header and footer of this particular website. So now you activate. So once we are done activating this particular plugin, you are going to see it over here, see it Element Kit, then click on header footer. So there are other plugins that can achieve this particular result, but in this particular case I prefer this particular plugin because it is user friendly. So you click on add new template. The title should be header. You can write anything you want just to note the title. The most important thing is this particular place type. Make sure you have it to be header. Then activate, then click on edit content so that we can edit this particular header. Click on edit content. So once the page loads, then you click on this particular icon, view installed kits, then you search for header. So let's find the header. I think we have more than one header. We have header 2, we have header 1. So it depends on the one you prefer. So let's check the home page and see the header they use. So we use the header in the sample website. So I think they used the header 2 in the sample website. So let's insert this header 2. So it's importing. So we import this header 2. So you can see, very, very beautiful. So click here to change just click here, choose a logo. You can upload from your file or you upload from your media. So let me just choose this as the logo or choose this as the logo. So select any logo of your choice. Okay, this logo is not, let's choose this one. Good. So here now is the menu. So once you click here, you select your menu from here. So if you don't have menu, I'll show you how to create menu later on. So get in touch. Here you can add link to your contact page or your email or your phone number. So the same way goes to this particular place. So you can link this particular icon to a page. So let's check icon setting, read more. So now this is where you can now do what? You can enable button, then okay, oh, I think we don't need that. We don't need it. So this particular icon here, the purpose is to tell you that once you click on this get in touch, you are going to do what? Contact us. So that is the main aim of this. So if you want to link it out, you need to convert it to a button, and that is not the purpose of that icon over there. So now once you are done, publish. So let's refresh our home page. So let's refresh our home page. So let's scroll up. You can see we now have our header. You can see the logo I added. You can see it. So now the next thing is to create the footer. So to create the footer, you click on add new template. Here now you are going to write footer or any name, but this type now you are going to select footer, activate edit content. So we can now edit the footer with Elementor. So once the footer loads successfully, then click here, then click on view installed kit, then scroll down. Let's find the footer, insert. This is the footer, so it is importing the footer. So the footer is importing. Boom, this is professional footer. So here now you can see you can now change this image just like the rest. Change this right up. You see the focus word here. I already shown you how you can change the color in the home page. So you want to change the other ones, they are the subtitle. So see it here, be the first to know about our latest model. You can change it if you want. So now all these things, like I say, all these things are pages. So I'm currently working on this one, home page. So once you are done, you go and create about us, you go and create blog, then you create all these particular pages. Some of these pages you need just to be right up like this. This warranty and services is going to be just a normal page where you are going to write some things down. Tutorials, this may be a page where you put all your YouTube videos or your videos from your website. Privacy policy, I have added it already. Create for your terms and conditions. Then other things, policies, disclaimer, this is illegal. So now if you want to add link, once you create it, to link all of them together, any page you create, you copy link to that page. Take for instance home page. I want to link this home page. Click here, you click on home, you see this place they wrote link. Now I post link to the home page. Then if you have the link to your about page, paste the link here. Same thing to other pages here. So once you are done, you publish. For you to link these socials, the same thing, click on it. Your Facebook link, you paste it here. Your Twitter link, you paste it here. So for you to change this phone number, click on this box, this phone number here, change it here. This email here, now click on it, then change it here. So let's say see. So now we publish. Copyright, click on it. All right, reserve 2025. Publish. So once you are done, then you come back here and refresh. So once we are done, we scroll down to the bottom of the website and you can see everything is appearing professionally. So this is how we can create it, everything appearing professionally. So now this particular post section, let's just create one post and it will appear there. So go back, come to post, click on add post, then the title of the post is test, content of the post is test. So you know how to add all those things. Set featured image, I'll just choose one featured image from the website. So let's say I'm choosing this car. In your own case, you can click here to upload file from your gallery. So set featured image, publish. So once I'm done, then I will now refresh. So you can see the post appeared here. So the same way, this is the default post. So once you add more posts, all of them will appear here. So this is how you can create a professional looking electrical service website. So if you have watched this video to this point, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share this video. So if you have any question, drop it in the comment section and answer to every question. So if you encounter any error, drop it in the comment section too. I will fix it and show you how I did it. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.